Today on breakfast, lunch, and dinner cooking, we're going to do a real simple little bean dip with corn chips. And I made this for my kids their whole life, and we made a lunch out of it. Or you have friends coming over, they'll love it. So here we go. Okay, what you do, take a can of beans. I get the non-fat beans. Put them in the bowl if you can get them out. Just like that. And then I take a whole brick of cream cheese. And I have found Philadelphia really is the best. It opens easier and it's harder and everything. So here we go. Take a brick of this. And then I take about 5 pieces or 4 pieces of American cheese. I guess I've got 3 pieces here. That'll work if I can get it undone. Oh my goodness. Handy dandy scissors just in case. Well, if I can get my American cheese out. Okay. Thought I had 4 pieces. Let me grab one more. And with this, I'm using a medium salsa, but if your family likes more mild, just go with the mild. Or if you want it more spicy, add a little Tabasco. And what I'm going to do is I am going to microwave this for 2 minutes and get it started warming up. This is such a quick and easy lunch, you cannot believe. And the kids love it. They really do. And your guests will love it. Then what I do is I take my corn chips. And just put them all around the plate. I like these blue corn organic ones because that corn has got that Roundup Ready stuff in it. So if it's the organic, they can't do that, I guess. And when that gets done microwaving, I'll take it out, we'll stir it up, I'll show you what we got. Microwave this for just a couple minutes. You want to get it mixed up a little bit. It's going to need a little bit more. But what I do after I've microwaved it for a couple minutes, then I add a little bit of salsa. And I'm using the paste salsa today. Get that mixed in there a little bit. I have a couple spices I add too, so I will microwave this for a couple more minutes and I'll get back to you. Microwave this for a couple more minutes, so 4 minutes in the microwave, easy peasy. I'm going to add a little bit of garlic powder, maybe half a teaspoon. And maybe like a half a teaspoon of cumin, ground cumin. Just gives it a nice flavor. Then mix that all up. going to microwave this for 1 more minute. And I will get right back to you. It was 5 whole minutes in the microwave, and that should do it. Just make sure everything's incorporated. Those were refried beans, fat-free refried beans. And then what I do is I take my platter, if I can do this without getting it all over, and put it in your pretty bowl, like so. And then add a little bit of salsa right in the middle, just like that. Look at how pretty that is. Your guests will love it. And that is a super easy thing to make for company or kids for lunch or a snack or whatever. I hope you enjoyed my little video. Thanks so much for watching. And remember, there's nothing you can't do if you put your mind to it. And love the Lord with all your heart. Thanks for watching.